Finally got an SA200 about 2 weeks ago. It's a 72. Just put new gauges in it. The hood's been painted. The rest hasn't yet, but just the hood. I got the hood kind of off because I was messing with the manifold and painting on it a little bit. In 2 weeks, I've put an alternator on it, a new belt, done all new wiring. It got a new starter before I got it, and someone along the lines replaced the radiator because that thing's in really good shape. Oh, and also new hoses I put on it, and a new radiator cap. The other one had a split in it, so it didn't build pressure. I've also changed the oil and the oil filter, and put Lucas in it. And along with those new gauges, you got a new water temp probe. I reused the old plastic tubing for the oil pressure gauge, though. And then here's all the switches over here. I still haven't wired up. Here's the lights for the gauges. Still haven't wired those up yet, though. And when I first got it, it barely ran, but cleaned the carb and did some other stuff with it, some new fuel. And the way I have it rigged up is where it's pinned like this. It's on idle, so 1,000 RPM, and then you unpin it, and it goes to 1550. And we had a meter that read it, and we actually set the idle via the governor to actually get it at the correct RPMs, which it was not. It was like 1,300 RPMs wide open, so it wasn't correct. Didn't give me the correct volts or anything. So it's kind of hard to practice with it and get a feel for it whenever it wasn't welding the way it was supposed to. Also put spark plugs in the thing as well. And where's that tube? Oh yeah, there's the tube. I've been trying to do some 7018 on it, but the cast isn't liking it. There's no threads left, so I don't know. I'll figure something out for that. But just an old machine. I'm not trying to make it beautiful, but I am trying to make it where it's good. Replace all the main components and stuff like that. I also took the oil bath out and cleaned it. The mesh was good. Didn't touch the mesh. I mean, a little bit. Cleaned it up a little bit. I didn't pull it out, but mainly just cleaned the bottom part. And that wire that kills it is in with the choke. New wire there. But you can see how clean that radiator is. Like someone had to replace it. And I had the little hand crank for it. I've started it that way. It's a pain in the butt, but I have done that. But just a few more little things, and this thing's pretty close to go make money with it. So thanks for watching.